Right, let's see. Is this working? Yeah, I think so. How do I can I share this easily? I guess I can't. Oh, I can go here. Code sandbox. There we go. Okay, cool. I haven't streamed in a while. The reason is really because it just takes too much time away from me collaborating with my colleagues. But now it's weekend. I have a proof of concept I'm working on, so I thought I have some time alone for once. So I thought I would do some streaming. Let's see. Let's see if I can find this thing I'm working on. It's actually quite exciting, but I'm not going to explain the concept because I don't have that much time. Oh, wait, I didn't want to go here. I want to go here. Yeah, so I won't explain it too much in detail. I wonder why I'm not getting... this should be draft Thursday. Okay, it is there. Cool. Let's see, is everything running? I think so. Okay. And I just updated some files. And what I'm going to do here, first of all, I made some changes to what we call picture client. And I'm going to... and normally I would implement this in this package, but to develop faster, I'm going to... let's see. Okay, I'm going to export star from interface. Yes, that's all I'm gonna do. And then we're going to build this picture client because I prepared a little bit. Let's build this. What we also need here is the sandpack. We need the sandpack documentation. How do I get started? Oh. Install. I want the low level stuff. Sandpack client. Yeah, I think this is enough. Because this is the... yeah, and then I'll just create the iframe. Okay, yeah, this is what I want. Let's try this first. Oh, did I do something wrong? Oh, there should be an I file. Let's try again. Cool. Yeah, let's do this. And then what we want to do is we want to go into web codes. I think I actually need to do pnpm install here. It has to do with access control. And then we're going to add sandpack client. So basically, yeah, while this is installing, so what I'm doing is that we haven't quite figured out how we want to approach doing browser sandboxes in version 2 of Code Sandbox. But with like a lot of discussions over the time since we started V2, and also now that we formally published Sandpack with no box, it kind of just came together. So I'm going to actually implement... I'm going to create a new picture client which has a different implementation. So that's what I prepared. I made all these interfaces so I know what to implement. And then we're going to use Sandpack. And then we're just going to load the sandbox and run it with Sandpack, but using the interface of picture client, which means that the project editor shouldn't care. It should just work. So let's see. V2 pnpm add. Oh. yeah, and again, I won't add this to the project editor itself. It should be picture client, but to develop a bit faster, not having to build all the time, we're going to implement this in V2. Yeah, we don't need to run this yet, so I'm just going to drop that. Okay, so let's just create a file somewhere. We can put it with picture here. Yeah, it doesn't matter where I create it, but let's call it picture client sandpack. And we're going to say export class. Well, not exporter class, but picture client sandpack. And this is going to implement iPicture client. And then we're going to look at how this works. And this works something called init. So we're going to say init picture client sandpack. Oh, export async function. And I have no idea how far we'll get with this, but we're gonna try. So type picture client sandpack. Type picture client sandpack options. I'm actually not sure what we need here, though I think on request sandbox. So we need the sandbox ID, and this is going to return promise of sandbox. And I think we can grab the sandbox from okay, let's just try using the internal types for now. Picture client. Cool. Options. And this has a constructor, which also needs these options. Cool. Okay, so how is this going to work? What we want to do, first of all, we just want to grab a sandbox. So we don't need to create this connection. We don't need this host response. We don't even need a message handler. Well, we actually need to implement this message handler, and that's because currently we expose the picture client message handler publicly, and it's being used by the project editor. It shouldn't do that, but we're like exploring what's the responsibility of picture client and what's unique to the project editor. So for now we just need to have that. So let's just picture client sandbox message handler implements picture message handler. Oh, not sandbox, but sandpack. And it needs... Oh, doesn't it need anything? Oh, aren't we getting... I thought this implements thing would actually show us what we're missing. Oh, maybe we don't support that in our LSP. Maybe we have to develop this in VS Code to get some additional help. Or should I just rely on... Yeah, I can rather do this. That's okay. Let's do that for now. Oh, this is kind of annoying. So What do I want to do? Does this actually understand the typing? Like if I do on arrow here and say, hey. Yeah, exactly. Okay, cool. So we can do a new emitter. Oh yeah, but then I have to, oh my God. Okay, we're just going to make this, doesn't that work? Oh, that's not the emitter I want. I want the one from this one. Wait, what? Ah, do I have to? I thought the typing would kind of just work out of the box. Ah, fudge. Okay. I think we can get this, all of this from. Are you still not happy? Seriously? Oh yeah, sorry. This is the actual error emitter. Error emitter event. Oh, wait, I think, God damn it, already struggling. Yeah, this should be the event. God damn it. Hopefully this is just getting started issues. Event unknown. Ah, doesn't it type this? God damn it. I have to move faster than this. How can I move faster? And we don't have request event here. Picture instance requests. We don't have these. God damn it. On request. Okay, so what I think I need to do, just on our emitter equals new, and then we say error emitter, new emitter, and then we say this dot on error emitter dot event. Okay, cool. So that's how we're going to solve those. Request event, I'm not sure why it's not, oh shit, these are bad exports. How can I do this faster? So I'm stuck now. Like I can develop it faster inside the package because then I have all the types. But then I have to build every time I change something. But it should be a lot more development and testing because it's actually... Okay, we're going to change the approach. God damn it. Close file. So let's just create a new file here. Yeah, and then we don't have the typing for the sandbox. Do we care about that? No, let us just do T here. So whatever it returns, and this doesn't really, well, it does care about, god damn it. Okay, let's copy the type. How should I do this? I need a type of sandbox because we're using the sandbox internally. You know what? Just to get going, I'm going to, where is it? Code sandbox API, REST API, REST types. Because we need a type, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do one more thing. We're going to add, god damn it. I can't believe this, I can't believe this. Where is it, Sandbag client? We are going to put this inside picture client instead. I think this gives SA, I guess this should be there. Actually, I don't think we're using this. Yeah, no. And we're also going to add Code Sandbox API. Okay, cool. So let's do another pm install. Because what we have now is import REST from, and that should give us what's interesting now, we don't really even need this. New Code Sandbox API. Like, we want Picture Client to actually use Code Sandbox API directly. We haven't gotten there yet. Yeah, I'm just going to hard code this for now. Client type, what the hell is that? Web on request. So this would be, I don't think we need that. Oh, we do need that. Okay, let's just do the same thing. Yeah, this is interesting because Picture Client can run on Node and okay, but we don't have a user API URL. Is that? I can't remember. That's just a domain. Why do we call it API URL? That's bad. API domain. Is this using? API domain. Yeah. That's a badly named option. It should be API domain. Use CLI authentication. We'll just set that to true for now. Okay, now we have the Code Sandbox API in here. I need some other music. '90s hits. That's nice. Okay, so now we should have that typing here. We can just use it. New emitter. This is coming from picture common. Cool. And then we have on notification emitter. Can I just do this? No, then that. God damn it. Fucking typing. Wait, request event? Where the hell is that coming from? Request event? Oh, it's just... Okay, let's export that. Oh, this is actually coming from picture... Oh, sorry. I thought these were direct emitters. Because the tricky thing is, like, we're not actually implementing this notifications or messages. So I guess... Oh, you know, I'm messing this up. So forget about that. We're just going to do type event message. Oh, disposable. Oh, for fuck's sake. New disposable. Okay, cool. I guess it's the same here. So this was wrong. God. There we go. And on request. Not sure why that. Why isn't this a disposable? That's interesting. Okay, update connection, we don't care about that. We don't care about requests because we're not making any requests. And then, oh, why I'm not getting any help? Oh, is this why? No, that's kind of annoying. I thought I would get help on the typing there. So, okay, let's just bring in all of this stuff. There we have the constructor. Cool. And this should be picture client, sandpack message handler. Are you? Oh, didn't I import it? Okay, nice. This is really a picture. Why aren't I getting any help? Okay. Okay, I'm going to change that one. Cool. On message again, just going to this is state on transition. Oh yeah, this is now wrong, of course. Okay, let's remove this. Don't need. Yeah, so we have to add these. I think we need to add these as we're so current client. This is going to be passed as an option. Oh, god damn it. All the typing is all the work. So where is the picture client sandbox props? Oh, didn't I copy that? On request sandbox. So this will be and then yeah, so this would be picture client sandbox props, and the constructor here would need these options. And where do we get current client from? We can grab it from the API. We can grab it from the session of the API. So we actually don't need to pass it here. Okay, cool. Yeah, and sorry, we don't actually need, I don't think we need anything. We just need the sandbox ID. I think that's enough. Let's try that, because we have the API here, so we have everything we need. So let's try that. Or wait a minute. So this is going to take the sandbox ID, and what we're going to get here is an actual sandbox. Cool. Wow, that's horrible. And we also need the current client. So what I'm going to try to populate these fields now. This.current client would equal okay, so if session, so what does this look like? Well, I'm not getting any help here either. Oh my god, what was it? Protocol, client protocol. God damn it. Picture protocol, I think it's client as client protocol. Okay, we still need all of these. So cluster can just be an empty string. What are you complaining? Client protocol version. We don't care about that. Don't care about that. We don't care about that. And we don't care about that. Permissions. That's interesting. So we have picture permissions. Okay, let's just try to create them. So command false, file true, fs true, git false, language, well, it's false for now, setup false, shell false, system false, and task false. Is this wrong? An interface property cannot have an initializer. Why do you say that? Oh, so I think fs. Oh my god. Okay, we need to base this on, I'm going to implement this as being signed in. So we're going to assume that you're signed in. So you can close. I'm not sure if I actually need, if I can say true here, or if this is like a type error. What does it mean? An interface what the hell is that? Why? Oh, sorry, I'm in the interface. God damn it. I thought I was in the other thing. Here. fs true, file true. Oh, that's not valid. Operation true. Path search false. Read true. Search false. Upload true. We don't have search currently. Could quite easily handle it though. Close true. Document act true. Well, when we get document operations in there. No, this is actually quite cool because you're going to get search. Like you don't have that in version 1 now, but you're actually going to get it here. Okay. And then we have picture capabilities. Oh, here we go. Channel is false. We don't have channel. We do have client. We don't have command. We have file. Are these? Ah, god damn it. Okay, so I guess I can just remove what's not there. So if client true, status true, we have file. So open by path true, open close true, OT true, save true, selection true, status true. What else do we have? Port is actually going to be true. Status, I'm not sure what status refers to. We don't have shell, system, task, or setup. FS, we need FS, true, true, read true, search true. Cool. Workspace path is actually, it's just this, I guess. User workspace path will be the same. And then we have all the clients. And I'm just going to say if no session, well, if session state equals unauthenticated, throw error, new error. This is a POC, need to be authenticated. Actually, I think this is going to make it hard because you need to. Okay, let's just make it work for both. And then we'll actually set the correct capabilities here based on what you actually have access to. Okay. Session.state equals authenticated, session.user or null. So if we have a user, we're going to say that this user app ID, I think we just call it web, avatar URL. I'm not sure if we have it there. Nice. The client ID, we're just going to use the username. The color, let's just use red for now. Name would be user.name. Do we have a name? Yeah. Username will be user.username. And then if you are anonymous, yeah, so what we're going to do, we're rather going to say if user, we're going to set this, because we like several things is going to be set differently. So we're going to say that, and if not, this.current client is going to still be web, because you're anonymous. We're going to open sandboxes that are public. So there's no avatar URL. Client ID, we're just going to do 1, 2, 3 for now. Color is still red. Well, let's do blue just to separate them. Or let's do red here and then green here. That's nice. Okay, so we're not going to get anything running during this session, that's for sure. Username, anonymous. Let's see. And then we have, this is the picture capabilities when you're this.capabilities. And then we have this.permissions. Cool. And then we're going to copy those. And then we're going to review them. So you can still list status open by path. Yes, you can do that. No, you cannot do this. False, false. Selection. Let's do false there. Status, true, probably. Ports, you can still do ports. You don't have this stuff. I'm not sure what we're using this for, actually. Let's do path. Okay, and then operation is false. Upload is false. Document ACK is false. This is false. Document selection, let's just do false. And save false. Okay, cool. So now we have this stuff. We're setting that, and now we have to create all these clients. So this is going to probably take the rest of this session. God damn it. I was hoping we could actually download some stuff. Let's see how quickly we can get this done. Class, let's just call it implements IFS client. And then IFS, there's quite a bit of stuff here. Let's see. New memory FS. Name. Operations, whatever. So on FSR, let's just do new disposable here. Does that work? want to do here, we need to move this into its own folder. New directory, picture, client, sandpack. Index. And I think just to make sure that everything's running. And see. FS client, TS. Export. FS protocol, import FS as FS protocol. Why is this failing? There we go. So ready promise, this is what we're going to use to download the sandbox to block things. So let's actually set that, initialize that as part of the constructor. CUID. Oh, get path is this dot memory fs. I'm not sure if these are actually. Let's just do this to be safe. And of course, it complains. Get ID from path. Okay, so let's try. Can we get this thing running without having everything implemented? Like the typing has to work, so. God damn it. I have to implement a lot of stuff. How should we approach this? But I really just want to mock everything. That's the point. Until I actually need to handle these things. What if I just throw a new error everywhere? Not implemented. Yeah, let's do that. And then we're going to implement it. I just want to be able to build it. That's the most important thing now. Everything mocked, just build it, and then we'll implement step by step exactly what we need. Cool. That's nice. It's clean. Yes, nice. So now we can get the FS client from FS client. Well, we have to create a new FS client, and we'll see. Oh yeah, sorry. And then we'll say, so for now, some of these might, we're actually going to instantiate this here. This dot clients equals fs new fs client. Cool. Yeah, and we're going to throw new error not implemented here as well. I guess there's like a shortcut for this in VS Code, so maybe I should have been using VS Code here. But anyways, okay, so we're actually getting pretty close. We just need the other client. So shell client ts export class shell client implement I shell client. Let's have a looky. So we're going to, where is the methods? Here they start. Throw new error not implemented. Nice. Okay. And then not implemented, not implemented, not implemented, not implemented, not implemented, not implemented, not implemented. And of course we need to remove all the freaking. I hope that like implements would actually give you the typing out of the box. Well, as if you use like, is it extends? Well, not extends, but yeah. I'm not sure what I mean. And then we'll say import shell from code sandbox protocol. And we also need disposable, this new disposable. Boop, 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 boop. Nice. So now we have the shell client. Oh, sorry. Where are you? Shell client. All the way down there. Shell, new shell client. Nice. Who's up next? It's... Oh, I can remove a ton of stuff here. Cool. That's iShell client. Why aren't you? Oh. Nice. And the next one would then be port client. So let's create port client. Port client. Port client. That's a simple one. And import port as port protocol. one's wrong. I think I have a feeling there's a way I can do this faster. Okay, so I'm just going to create all the clients first. So we have iPort client, then we have, okay, let's just create the files. So we have language client, TS. We have client, TS. I hate that client. It also made me put everything on the clients instead of at the root of the class, because it was so weird to do picture client.client. Very confusing. File client. File client, Git client. We have setup client. Notification client. I actually think that can be the same. I think. No, it can't be the same. Of course not, because the constructor is different. Channel client. Task client. System client. Command client. Okay, so now we should be able to close others. I want to go through each of them and export the class. Channel client, and then I'm just going to copy the interface over. That's all I'm going to do first, and then we're going to do all the disposables, and then we're going to do all the not implemented. So that should be yeah, I can even just import, like go and grab emitter and yeah, whatever. Export class. This was command client, implements I command client. And let's copy this thing. And then it's file client, export class, file client, implements I file client. Oh, that's a big one. Boop. Cool. And then we have FS client. We did that one. Git client. Implement I Git client, which looks like this. Let me just close others. And then we have language client, export class, implements I language client. Cool. And then notification client, notification client, implements I notification client. And then port client is okay. Oh, this was setup client, implements I setup client. And then shell client, we did that one. Export class, system client, implements I system client. Yeah, I'm kind of trying to sell to the team that we should do this. Even though we have other priorities at the moment, we're so close to getting browser sandboxes loaded in the V2 client, I task client. that I think, and it just doing that opens so many opportunities for our users and for us as a company, and it wraps up the product. So we have a single project editor on the web, which I think also just in itself creates new opportunities. Okay, cool. So now we have all these clients. So let's just instantiate them. I could probably have done this differently, but I don't really have the thing I want to do. I want to do implementation. I don't really care about or what I mean to say, I just want to get going, and this was the best I came up with. New port client, setup new setup client. Why is the notification client? Why are you complaining? I don't understand. String and string at in the time. Why are you complaining? Oh, I think I see it. It's because notification is like a native thing. Okay, so let's go through them again. What we're going to do, let's do the not implemented. Throw new error not implemented. So we're just going to use what we already have here. Why is channel data not being imported? Weird. We also have a follow. Oh yeah. These are okay. Let's just do this for now. These actually have different implementations, so we need to change that, but we're not going to use these yet. So client, where does the function start or method start? Yeah, let's just do the import as we're at it. Import client as okay. Oh, we have picture permissions. Clients. I guess it's coming from whatever. Okay, that's okay for now. Import command as command. client. Open file, pending file path. Emitter. Let's just do iFile here for now. Why aren't those? iFile join event. Ah. iFile. Where the hell are they? Those. iFile. Is it here? No. What the hell is that? iFile join event. Is that from FS? No, this should be. What? Oh, there we are. Okay, cool. Bi-directional map. What the hell is that? Cool. And then we'll just remove these ones. OT, I think we have that. It's an import. Cool. Nice. FS client is okay. Git client. Import Git from code sandbox protocol. Oh, that's on branch. Here we are. Typing is such heaven and hell. Doing proof of concept, it really slows you down, but this proof of concept is really all about having an interface, so we kind of need to use it. Cool. And then we're language client. Oops. Language from code sandbox, picture protocol. Nice. Notification client. Yeah, this doesn't have much. Emitter notification protocol. Import notification as notification protocol from code sandbox protocol. We need CUID in here. Import client, that's done. Setup client, get progress, not implemented. Resync, not implemented. Skip step, not implemented. Skip all, not implemented. Set step, not implemented. And then we have import. Import setup as setup protocol from code sandbox protocol. And let's skip these ones. Nice. And then we have shell client. That's done. Get metrics. And then import system from code sandbox protocol. Oh, not picture. Oh, picture protocol. Sorry. Cool. And then get tasks. That one, 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 and that one. And we need emitter. We need task from the code sandbox picture protocol. Oh, we even need port. We need to remove these ones. Oops. And we need CYD in here. Okay. Cool. And then the final thing is the equals new disposable. Okay. Oops, forgot that one. Nice. Command client. File client. Oops. Oh, did I? Oh. Oh, this is. What the hell is a bi-directional? Okay, I guess it's just a new map. And this is also a new map. Why? Is it like a thing? Bi-directional map? Oh, interesting. Pending files is a new map. File paths is a new map. Nice. FS client, you're okay. Git client. Oops, what the hell? Why are you complaining? Oh, I think I forgot to add the event here. So this is actually wrong in the interface. On commit started. I think. So that was Git, right? Yeah. And then we have language. Notification. OMG. This is just a record. Port. That's okay. Setup. Oh. Like the thing is, even though a lot of these clients are optional, I don't want to make them optional in the API, because then you have to ask every time you consume a client, do I really have this thing? I don't like that. It should rather throw an error that it's not available in the current client you're consuming. Okay, nice. Can I like build this now? Picture client. Is it happy? Because then we're going to push this, and then we're going to at least start loading a sandbox. Nice. Boop. Commit and push. Oh. So Oscar hopefully sleeps until 2, which gives us 20 minutes to... Oh, I'm running the client. Yeah, we don't need to run the client. What's happening here? Why aren't you showing me the error? Wow, that's weird. Yeah, so this is just in the... Here. I'm just not using the stuff. Let's just do that. Return new sandbox ID. Oh yeah, sorry. Sandbox equals await API rest get. Sorry, sandbox get. And that should be it. And then I guess we can keep a reference to a sandbox here. So let's say rest sandbox this.sandbox equals sandbox. Cool. Let's try again. I'm very curious why it got stuck on the commit. That shouldn't happen. Interface stuff. Maybe I'm running on an old VM version. I think this is the latest. That's really weird. Let's just refresh. Nice. Okay. So now we can actually start doing some stuff. So what I want to do first, I just want to get read only capabilities, which is picture capabilities, and then get write capabilities, because we're going to write some more. Need some space in the constructor. Get read only permissions. This doesn't really need to be private methods, but at least picture permissions. Get write permissions. Okay, and then we're going to the client is okay. That can be. We don't really care about this. So this is this get write capabilities. And then we have get write permissions. Missions, it should be missions. This get read only capabilities. Return. And then get read only permissions. Then we're going to actually put these at the bottom because they're just in the way when you try to scroll and figure out what the hell this thing is. Let's see. Let's put them down here. Well, yeah, let's put them below the public ones. Okay. So basically what we want to do is we just want to go and grab the sandbox, which we're doing here. And then what's interesting here is that we're going to create a file system client that's actually able to, so the thing we want to enable first to be able to do anything here is that we need, okay, so what we're going to do absolutely first, we're going to go through the clients again, and then we're going to see what methods do we actually need to have that can return something. So we're yeah, okay, I think that's a good first step. It's just loading the freaking sandbox and then make the editor run without any contents. That would be best, because then we know okay, so we're stuck already, because the follow channel actually requires, the constructor requires a message handler. Oh, we have the message handler. Because we will try to send some messages, I think, or maybe not. Well, the LSP will try to send some messages. But we have this fake message handler now that we can use. Okay, let's start with channel. Okay, because we have to do that. We have to make the project editor actually run. Because it, or we'll like do the implementation and we can test it, and then, yeah. So the channel client needs this .message handler, at least. Constructor, message handler. So let's just do a private message handler. Did I put that here? Yeah. Picture client sandbox message handler. That's a mouthful. Let's see. Yeah, so tricky thing here is that we are going to send requests, I'm sure. What we're going to do with those requests, I'm not sure. Yeah. We'll figure that out. Okay, nice. We don't need these. We don't need this one. Don't need that one. Why are you complaining? Oh. Picture client sandbox message. So we are actually going to, what's the follow? Oh, sorry. I think we can just copy these. Yeah, let's just copy them. Channel client. Oh, didn't it have? Oh, it was private. Okay. Yeah. You know what? We can actually just use the channel client here. Oh, nice. Okay. So we're going to drop the channel client is exactly the same. The thing that's different is the message handler. I wonder if we could make the message handler. Okay, let's do that. So we don't need, what we're going to do instead of doing this, we're going to just export channel client from clients channel client. Because when we instantiate this now, it needs, okay. What do you need? You need a client. Let's see. You need a message handler. You need the current client, which is this current client, and then the client. Yeah, and then we just need to change this to take I picture message handler and I client. Oh, aren't you happy? Oh, and then each channel needs to take I picture message handler. Because there are very likely to be some reusable parts to this. So what we need to do, we need to like give it a message handler that's connected to the live service of the API. Which is kind of, I don't quite like that. So there's probably going to be some refactors so that we don't like pass the message handler into everything. We rather simplify it, giving it like an send option or something. Anyways, so why are you complaining? Oh, message handler request. Why the picture message handler? Where did you go? Request. Isn't it void? No, it's not void. It's actually quite complicated. How can I? Oh, fuck. This is actually quite complex. Request and wrap. Fudge. It's actually easier for me to. Yeah, I don't want to do this. Let's discard those. What do we change here? Yeah, that's okay. Channel. Let's discard channel. I think I should rather refactor the, which is this one. Yeah, the reason we get errors when discarding is because of utility we use. New follow channel. What the hell was this? Picture client. Yeah, that's the one. Oh yeah, this one should also be discarded. Oops. Open file. I don't want it to take a message handler because it's what is it actually using? Maybe this is an opportunity to simplify something. So this dot message handler. So we're using on notification and we're using request, which is basically the message handler. Fudge. Okay, Oscar woke up. I have to go, but yeah, so it's probably more work just getting the typing correct here as opposed to the actual implementation. What do I want to do about these channels? I guess I have to fix that typing. So I actually did the right thing here. I just have to yeah, we have the wrong typing on the request method of our interface. Yeah. Okay, so I'll fix that and then we can reuse the channel at least. Yeah, so this is not going to use. No, I don't want to reuse the channel. Yeah, I have to reflect on this. If we're going to reuse anything or yeah, because what's interesting is that the channels really rely on very specific messages. So it's kind of weird that they're generically listening to all kinds of messages. So maybe the channel client could rather listen to channel messages and then send it to like the correct channel. Yeah, but I don't want to refactor existing stuff either. Got that. Okay, I need to reflect on this. Anyways, bye for now.